Welcome to Yellow Tunnel. My name is Karpel. I'm CEO and founder of Yellow Tunnel. And today I'd like to go over current market conditions, see if this is just a short-term pullback or change in trend and what to expect short-term and long-term in the market, where the interest rates are going, where silver and gold is going, NVIDIA and semiconductors, and some of the trade ideas from this week. For those of you who are new, welcome. This is my brief bio, and disclosures are very important. I'm going to go through specific trade idea, trade setup, how to hedge your portfolio. So please read the disclosures, especially if you're new to trading stock or options. And I encourage you to visit optionsscreening.com so you can understand the risk associated with trading stock or options. All right, let's take a look. Looking at aggressive power trader for the past 3 or 4 days, there hasn't been any long signals on the short-term model, which basically indicates there is really no confirmed uptrend in any of the stocks that we are monitoring, which usually is a pretty bearish sign in the market. And spiders today, the model predicted 500. We tested 500 and still a downtrend, potentially reaching 490 is your next level when you look at the trend. And I encourage you to look at the stocks, and you can analyze any stocks that we are following, that the model is following. In terms of small caps, 2 standard deviation move historically below 50-day moving average, approaching 200-day moving average. You can see that small caps are already oversold and probably will bounce back, shortly, but still pretty negative, bearish price pattern. I think as long as the market is trading below 50-day moving average, it will be a pattern of lower highs and lower lows. There's a sharp pullback in 10-year yield after the beige book. Still trading above 4.5, 4.60. So overhead resistance is at 470, very important level. If we break above 470, that means that it opens the door to 5%, and 2-year yield already trading at 5%. So yield is higher, dollar is stronger, continue to rally almost at 107 level. So all of this is bearish for the market. And you can see in terms of volatility, we are staying at 1920 level. So volatility has been elevated. Today, after the ASML earnings, semiconductors dropped below 50-day moving average together with NVIDIA and retesting the March lows. So if this level doesn't hold, and we don't get good earnings from Taiwan Semiconductor, I think tomorrow, and this level is breached, then potentially we can close again NVIDIA earnings. So a lot of the sectors like spiders are actually broke through the open print of NVIDIA earnings. That means probably gonna already almost close the gap, right, which is at 497, and QQQ already closed the gap, NVIDIA gap. So those are the key levels, key support. Short-term market is oversold, but I'm not sure if this is the end of the sell-off. My personal opinion, lower highs, lower lows, especially as we are approaching options expiration this weekend. So April contracts will expire, May contracts will be added, and I was looking at the spiders. There's really no support till 480. Right, once the April contracts expire, in terms of May 17th, the next level is 480 in terms of positioning. So if market reaches 480, I personally would not be surprised. So in a dynamic power trade, I trade both stock and options. So I'm buying spiders puts and put spreads with the idea that we could reach 480 level, right, 495, 475 put. Debit put spread, directional trades, hedging your portfolio. At this point, I would be either market neutral or slightly bearish on the market. We do have a live trading room, strategy roundtable tomorrow at 7 p.m. Chicago time, 8 p.m. New York time, Eastern time, 8 p.m. Eastern, 7 p.m. Central. I hope you guys can make it. We're going to spend more details talking about market conditions and answer any questions you might have. So please join me for this discussion. We'll do the earnings strategy. And we do have social media presence, so please join us on Twitter, X. Just search for the word Yellow Tunnel and follow. Click on follow, and similar on the Yellow Tunnel on YouTube. Search for the word Yellow Tunnel, and follow us. There's a lot of live trading room, webinars, content that I think will be helpful with your trading. Thank you very much and have a great day.